Imagine this. You're standing in a busy street, cars rushing past, people talking, the world moving at lightning speed. And then, click, everything stops. The cars freeze midair, birds hang motionless in the sky, raindrops pause before hitting the ground. What if humans could stop time for just 10 seconds? Sounds simple, right? But once you understand how time really works, you'll realize those 10 seconds could destroy everything we know about reality. Fact number 1. What is time really? Before we stop it, we have to understand what time actually is. Time isn't a clock on the wall. It's the measure of change, the rhythm of movement, energy, and cause and effect. Einstein proved that time is part of space-time, a four-dimensional fabric that bends, stretches, and flows depending on gravity and speed. So if you somehow froze time, you wouldn't just stop clocks. You'd freeze every atom, every vibration, every chemical reaction, including the ones keeping you alive. You wouldn't be moving in stop time. You'd be frozen too. Fact number 2, the paradox of movement. Let's say somehow you could pause time for everyone except yourself. That means your body is still operating. But what about the air? If time is frozen, air molecules can't move. That means no oxygen can reach your lungs. Sound waves can't travel. Total silence. Light wouldn't even bounce into your eyes. You'd be trapped in absolute blackness, so you wouldn't see or breathe. You'd be alive, but blind, deaf, and suffocating inside a frozen universe. 10 seconds would feel like eternity, and maybe your last. Fact number 3, energy breakdown. Now think deeper. Stopping time means stopping motion, and motion is energy. The universe is made of particles in constant vibration. If you force that vibration to zero, you'd collapse the entire field of energy around you. Atoms would lose their structure. The electromagnetic forces that hold matter together could fail completely. Stopping time, even for an instant, might trigger a quantum breakdown, a miniature Big Bang inside your surroundings. In short, those 10 seconds could vaporize reality itself. Fact number 4, relativity twist. Einstein's relativity tells us you can't stop time, but you can slow it down. When you move close to the speed of light, time slows relative to others. Astronauts orbiting Earth actually age a few microseconds less than people on the ground. That's real, measurable time travel. So the closest thing to freezing time would be reaching light speed, where seconds stretch into infinity. But to your eyes, everything outside would look frozen. You'd become a ghost between moments, watching the universe move slower and slower until nothing moves at all. Fact number 5, the human experience. Yet in our minds, we can slow time. During danger or fear, our brain floods with adrenaline. Neurons fire faster, and we process more information per second. That's why moments like a car crash seem to happen in slow motion. We can't stop time physically, but we can stretch perception. For our brain, those 10 seconds of real time can feel like minutes. So maybe the real power to freeze time is already inside us, hidden in the folds of our consciousness. Fact number 6, what if you actually did it? If by some impossible technology you could stop time safely, you'd become the ultimate observer. You could walk through frozen rain, read every detail of the world, and touch history in motionless form. But every second you moved would rewrite physics, and the universe might collapse under the paradox of your existence. 10 seconds could make you a god, or erase you from time itself. Outro. Time is the only thing we can't control, and maybe that's what makes it precious. We don't need to stop it. We just need to live inside it fully, because every second you waste wishing for more time is time already gone. If this made you think differently, like, comment, and subscribe to Mindscope, where curiosity never sleeps and every question opens a new universe.